to take this trade right here at 32.15. Put my stop at 31.95. And I'm going to see how this works out. All right. I'm not on any strikes, just shares. This is an easy stock to trade because you can only lose 20 cents. But I see it bounced off the moving average, is holding the daily, and expecting a little bit of a run here. The worst case scenario is you can lose 20 cents. You already got your stop in on the green, and it's worth the price of admission. Okay guys, update on my trade. Never hit the 31.95. Moved over to the 10 minute. So I'm up 30 cents. So I'm going to split my profit. If it drops below 332.27, I'm going to get out. But we're trading a $31 stock. So don't expect like the miracle, like it's gonna go up $5. You make $2.50, $2 on a call or a put. If you made $2 on a put in Apple, you would jump up and down. You'd be like, oh my God, I made $2. But these are smaller stocks. And you can't expect much out of them. So it's on the 10. I can move my stop up to the green of 315, 318. I can't lose money. I don't know if anybody's in here, but just showing you a slow grinder one. That's a $32 one that we just took at 315. Now it's past that. All right. See Netflix. I'm just looking at the 78 and the 30. It was a nice, beautiful. It's kind of like just smacking on that 372. It almost looks like it wants to go up. It's hugging right on that green line on the 10. I don't see really an evening star blow off, any kind of long wick. There was kind of one there on your volume, but it kind of retraced all the way back up now, You're thinking maybe take it back down to a couple bucks? And it's holding steady right there though, It's kind of like formed. Let's see what the 78 looks like. Yeah, it's got a couple dojis just sitting there sideways for a while, Just kind of stuck there. That makes sense? Looks like it wants to go up though. AMD, man, I'm telling you, it's not a big stock. I know you guys don't like these. I was typing in my blog. I'll bet no one got this one. It's just not enough money for them. But an easy trade for a guy that's someone who's just starting trading. You get in at 315, your stop's at 31.95. You move over to the 5. Once you're profitable, move to the 10. Well, it's a no-brainer. It doesn't even hit, if you had 1,000 shares or 500 shares, you're up some money. I'm excited. I'm sorry, Michael. It's just how I'm wired, I just don't like when it gets really compressed, really, really tight. I don't know, this is like a consolidation. We need for this to spike down and the market reverse. I just don't know if there's enough volume to propel this thing down though, at this time of the day. But it's definitely, it just broke that mark, It's what happens when you got this sideways movement. Does it pull back, or does it come back up into the consolidation, pull back into the consolidation, and then the sideways chop for an hour on low volume? Or does it break through the trend and then it just slowly starts popping down? I mean, I guess you could do it and then put a stop of $1 at the top of the high of the day. That'd give you a nice out, you know? You know what I mean? You'd have an exit of about $1.30, and then you'd have your, hoping that we'd get some volume in there. There's your 4 cents, okay? I'll give you 4 cents. Or 2 cents. I'm trying to be funny, but it's not working. Alright, well, I'm just going to take my money from AMD and let it keep running. I'm going to sell a little bit for profit. Take my profit, stick my line up here on the green, let it run the rest of the day. So I sold half, take some money, and then just see if this thing can hold that green line on the 10-minute for the rest of the day and see where we end up. So if you're in it, great. If you're not, too bad. I'm going to join you on these puts right here. And I'm going to put my stop right there. Not going to give it much room. Well, I just picked up about 500 shares, and I'll see what my strikes are going to do to follow. Let's see here. I'm like, yeah, maybe I'll get some puts too. That's a good idea. Like how you're thinking. I just might as well just double octane, okay? I'm just going to get the 65 Delta, strike 377.5 at $9.50 right now, okay? So 377.5 at $9.50. I'm going to give this about $1 on the option. That's all I'm going to let it take from me, and then I'm going to take $10 from it when it drops to the floor. How about that? I don't know. It's going to be $10. We'll see. Okay. Yeah. So I got $9.50 in on my ask. I got the 377.5 strikes. Let's see. Oh, look at this thing now. Well, I'm up $1.10 in my option. I'm liking that all day. You're probably up $1.60. Now, guys, this could be a blow off to the downward side, okay? It's a very abnormal candle going down, okay? All right, I'm selling some more here. I'm just selling. I'm gonna get it down to about a quarter position. Just take the profit. I'm up $2.50 now, so that's good. Yeah, nice option trade. I'm up 1,000. Let's see. I'm $1.75 on my short position. I'm 1,000 shares, so that's good. I first initially just grabbed shares just because I didn't think I'd have a chance to get the option, just because I thought it would saw back up, you know, whipsaw. And then Blake said, hey, what's the strike? And I thought, hey, he's got a point. I only got 4 contracts left. Well, it's past. It's close to that fib right there. All right, I'm out. I'm gonna get out just because I got work to do and I gotta meet you guys in a little bit. Where do you guys get? Well, we'll talk later. Not even let the whole world know what we're doing. Damn. Do I get rid of these or not? Well, I went to go on my matrix and I went to put my order in and the thing flushed down below where I was going to put my entry in. I hate when that happens. You know? You know, you go to put your order in and the ass goes flying all the way down to the bit. You're like, okay. Damn, that was a great call out. Nice wicks right here. Everybody else is sleeping in or going probably paddleboarding or something, you know? I'm just going to set my stop right above this low of that next candle. If it pops that, I'll get these 4 contracts going. Oh my gosh. Gotta really be patient with this thing. Alright, I'm out. I'm just gonna take my profit right now. Alright, good trade, guys.